Hello all, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you where the battery is located of a Mercedes Vito 2005 model. And I'm going to show you where the fuse box is located of this car. Before we start, have a look at our channel, Service Reset My Car. We have more than 350 other videos on how to reset different model cars, tire pressure indicators reset, some tips and tricks on different model cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. This is W639 and I'm going to show you where the battery is located. First of all, this is the driver's side. Open the door. Then under your seat there is this button. Turn it up, open it, and you'll see that the car battery is located over here. Yes, you have to unscrew these two bolts to get access to change the battery if you need that. Put this back into place. I'll get that put back into place after a while. And the fuse box location is under the hood, this side. Open these two clips towards yourself, this to the left, and as you can see we can open it, and this is the fuse box location of a Mercedes W639 model. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.